Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Again, hi everyone, this is Mardy and today we're diving into the incredible life and career of Don Solieta, one of the most iconic stars in Philippine showbiz. From her unforgettable roles on screen to her presence as a TV host and model, Dawn has truly made her mark in the industry. So grab a seat and let's take a closer look at her journey. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Marie Rachel Salman Talion Lagdameo, professionally known as Don Solieta, is a renowned Filipino actress, television host, and commercial model, recognized for her exceptional versatility and enduring appeal. Solieta is one of the most iconic figures in Philippine show business. Don Solieta was born in Manila on March 4, 1969. Her entry into the entertainment industry began in 1986 when she was considered in a close-up toothpaste commercial alongside actor Tonton Gutierrez. Ito ang nagbunsod sa kanyang unang pagsikat sa katanyagan na humantong sa kanyang unang pangunahing papel sa pelikula na Nakagapos na Puso in 1986, kung saan nakasama niya ang mga kilalang aktres na sina Sharon Cuneta at Lorna Tolentino. She also appeared in the TV series Okay Ka Fairy Ko in 1995 until 1997 and was featured in GMA Super Show in 1989 where she became a regular co-host. Solieta's career flourished in the late 80s and early 90s, with roles in films such as Boon Jing in 1988 and alias Batman and Robin in 1991. Her breakout role came in the romantic drama Hihintayin Kita sa Langit in 1991, where she starred opposite Richard Gomez. Ang pelikulang ito ay minarkahan ng isang pagbabago sa kanyang karera na nakakuha ng kanyang kritikal na pagpuri at pinatatag ang kanyang katayuan bilang isang nangungunang aktres. Noong 1992, gumawa ng kasaysayan si Solieta sa pagiging nag-iisang Filipino actress na nanalo ng 2 major acting awards sa isang taon. She received the Best Actress Award for Hihintayin Kita sa Langit and Best Supporting Actress for Una Kang Naging Akin and the prestigious FAMAS Awards. She also won a Luna Award as Supporting Actress of the Year for Una Kang Naging Akin. These groundbreaking achievements further cemented her place in Philippine cinema. Solieta continued to dominate the Philippine film industry throughout the 1990s, receiving several accolades, including the Box Office Entertainment Award for the Maggie de la Riva story in 1994, the Best Actress Award from both the Metro Manila Film Festival and FAMAS. Her performances in films like Ikaw Naman Ang Iiyak in 1996, Buhay ng Buhay Ko in 1994, Buhay sa Buhay Ko in 1995 garnered widespread acclaim, further establishing her as a versatile actress with the ability to tackle a range of genres from drama to comedy. Noong 1999, siya ay pinangalan ng isa sa top 10 actresses of the 1990s ng Manila Standard, solidifying her enduring popularity and talent. In the 2000s, Solieta transitioned to television, taking on significant roles in popular shows such as Mula sa Puso in 2011, Walang Hanggan in 2012, and she's dating the gangster in 2014. Her return to television in Walang Hanggan, which reunited her with Richard Gomez, was particularly notable as it was seen as a spiritual successor to their earlier film, Hihintayin Kita sa Langit. Nagpatuloy siya sa pagbibida sa mga matagumpay na proyekto, kabilang ang The Love Affair in 2015, You're My Home in 2015 to 2016 at Ang Probinsyano in 2016 na nagbigay daan sa kanya upang ipakita ang kanyang hanay mula sa mga romantikong lead hanggang sa paglalaro ng mga mas mature na tungkulin. In 2017, she starred alongside Vic Soto in the comedy Meant to Be and played a notable role in the 2019 drama Family History. Solieta's continued success is a testament to her versatility, longevity, and dedication to her craft. Solieta is of Palestinian descent, with her maternal grandfather, George Antonio Salman, being a Palestinian Arab who migrated to the Philippines after World War II. She is married to Antonio Lagdamillo Jr., a prominent businessman and politician, with whom she has 2 children, Jacobo Antonio, born in 2005, and Ayesha Madeleine, born in 2009. Dawn Solieta's career spans over 3 decades, marked by a string of successful films, television shows, and accolades. She is widely regarded as one of the most talented and beloved actresses in Philippine entertainment, having left an indelible mark on both the big and small screens. Her charm, talent, and ability to connect with audiences continue to make her a cherished figure in the industry. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Mandy Hale, you don't always need a plan. Sometimes you just need to breathe, trust, let go, and see what happens. Shout out and thanks to the comment of Glenda Daquinay Fondador. Maraming salamat po. Special thanks to my source from Google, enwikipedia.org, photocredits2, filipinojournal.com, and inspirational quote credits to thepioneerwoman.com.